Welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the paper towel on a Georgia Pacific Marathon automatic paper dispenser. So located on the top is where you insert the key. The key is a weird shape like that, looking like a cow, some kind of animal. So you turn clockwise about 2 turns until you get it open like this. Alright, so it looks like it's fully out.
Yeah.
And here are some directions. You need to reference that.
Take it out.
So first remove the old row and then just insert it with it overlapping towards the top. Similar how you would insert a toilet paper or regular roll. And then you insert it through the feeder, the blue feeder, in front of the roller, not behind. Okay. Lap it a little bit, and then all you have to do is close it. Automatically locks, and then you want to run your hand through it, and that's how you use it. Simple as that.
Okay.